this afternoon I actually got to have a go myself, which cool as a cucumber, not bothered at all. A lot more scared yesterday morning than I was when I actually had to go and do that. So.
I guess it shows what the practice and preparation does when you sort of practice on the dummy head and then you get to see it, and the process that Kate tries to take.
Katie was probably terrified, but I wasn't.
So you're obviously you're used to working in this sort of, not the same sort of thing.
Good
but
with
you're
my hands.
Good with your hands, there you go, and with needles and
Steady
that
as
stuff.
a rock, yeah.
Brilliant. So how was it actually performing the treatment? Was it different than working on the dummy heads, on the sort of skins yesterday?
It's probably a good thing you do it on the dummy head first.
Yeah.
Because you can go outside the lines on that, but you can't on people.
Right, okay,
so
yeah.
I cheated a little bit. I let Katie do the outlines.
Right,
because
okay.
it was the first time I'd ever done it. And I
Yeah.
didn't want to mess her work up. So.
Yeah.
And it was nice because it was a fresh set of brows that she'd done
Yeah.
a few months ago.
Yeah.
Lovely lady that came, and she'd been away travelling, and she just didn't get her touch up at the 6-week point. And they were very, very natural, and she just wanted them put back in a little bit, but she just wanted them slightly darker now that she's got used to her new eyebrows, and they were amazing. So it wasn't a correction job, it was a fresh, lovely set that had been done by a student.
Yeah.
Perhaps earlier in the year.
Yeah, and then obviously this morning's one was an older client, so you got to see sort of working with the young, working with the old.
And I seemed to know the colours that we needed.
Yeah.
I was really pleased with myself.
Yes, so the colour theory, although it was a little bit boring for you yesterday.
I know about colours, but it's obviously learning the pigments is something new to me, and they've got names, but I just seem to know in my head, I don't know the names of them, but I know what colour I need. With the lady this morning, I thought that they looked a little bit hard, and they, as much as they were done all in a shaded right across, they looked to me like they needed breaking up a bit.
Yes.
And that was already what she planned on doing, so I was really pleased with myself. Again,
oh, really?
I decided ahead of time what I would do if it was me and not Katie sitting there.
So you can see how the process works and how Katie thinks and the step by step, and you're almost thinking
in.
Yes, exactly, and you're always thinking of the next step of what needs to be done, and then
what would make that lady look better and what would look more natural and less shiny and less hard.